Hello and welcome everyone to part 8 of the Honda Accord restoration series. So in today's video we're going to be fixing an oil leak on the distributor base between the engine and the distributor itself. We're also going to be doing some general maintenance around the whole car. So as you guys seen the previous episode where we rebuilt the steering rack, and the video before that where we replaced the clutch. So this video is actually taking place in between because we're taking advantage of the free space that we have here. It's easier to work and it's easier to film. And also for you guys to search for any specific job you are doing on your car, you can find the title that we are doing on each independent fix. Now let's stop wasting any more time and stop talking and head straight to work. We'll start by removing the distributor. We believe that it's coming from the base and it's not coming from the inner shaft of it because it's leaking in the base and it's not leaking underneath the cap. So hopefully the only seal that needs to be replaced is the one in here. Two bolts, one on top, one on bottom. We just messed with the timing. Okay guys, till now we have to replace this seal that have went bad, as you can see. We're also gonna open the cap up to see if there's any oil, any evidence of oil inside there, which means that the distributor needs to be rebuilt because there's a tiny seal in the middle that needs to be replaced. Hopefully we don't have to go this route. Okay guys, so we removed the distributor cap off camera and inspected it. It has no leaks from the inside, which means that the inner seal is fine and we don't have to rebuild the distributor. The only leak is from the outer seal, so we're gonna smash everything with some RTV, make sure it doesn't leak and put it all back together. Now with that done, we got the timing put back where it was before. Now we're gonna turn our focus on the oil leaks that has from the underside. Okay guys, so now we're gonna drain the oil out because we need to remove the oil pan and fix a leak around the gasket of the oil pan. As you guys can see, here is the leak around the whole mounting surface of the oil pan to the engine. So we're going to be removing that and addressing the gasket. One thing to note folks, that if you need to remove the oil pan, you have to remove the exhaust from the pipe here to the manifold because it goes under the oil pan. We have removed it in the previous episode and we did not put it back in yet. Okay guys, so the pickup tube screen turned out to be plugged, so I'm gonna unbolt it, take it out and clean it out. Guys, as you can see, it's filled with dirt and debris from the engine. So we're gonna clean it out. It has a lot of old RTV also in it. We'll clean it out, making sure this does not plug the oil pump and starve the engine from oil and cause catastrophic failure. Okay guys, so we cleaned this out and turned out perfect. And also we throw a little bit of RTV around the seal just to make sure that it seals. Now we have the gasket. I'm gonna throw on a thin coat of RTV on it also, just to make sure that it seals. Okay, so now we're gonna install the screen back in. Just like that, the screen is back in. Now it's time for the oil pan. Okay guys, so just like that, we put it back the oil pan. But always when you use RTV, make sure you do not torque it down. Wait for half an hour, just so that the RTV cures a little bit and don't squish into the engine. Okay guys, so now after a couple of hours, the RTV has cured and now you can torque it down. With that done, all we have to do is put the drain plug back in, along with some thread sealer and a new crush washer. Okay guys, so after we finished the bottom end of the engine, we fixed all the leaks, we turned our focus on the engine itself from the top side. So we're gonna look, see what it's missing and fix it up. Firstly, we are missing this timing cover, so we got us a new one from the junkyard. We're gonna throw it in. Just like that, one thing off the list. And also guys, it was missing the air filter system, all of it, the base, the filter itself and the cover. We got them all. Gonna hook it just like that. Brand new. Okay guys, so with that done, we finished all the maintenance on the car. Everything is done and ready to go on the road once again. Now we got everything that needs to be repaired, what needs to be replaced. Well, the car is 100% working mechanically. So with that done, this is going to be the end of today's video. The next video, we're going to be continuing the body work. It needs some minor body filler here and there and some more sanding, and then we can spray her in. So see you then. Peace.